Hello guys, in this video we are talking about the customization of the perfect CRM. In the other videos we are discussing about the perfect things. So in this I will show you some customization in the perfect CRM. So let's start. This is our perfect CRM dashboard here. So for the first thing we have changed in the this is in the Spanish language. So here is the client tab, second one, and we can change into the patients. So we have just changed the name here. So let's move to the customization. Okay, here is the client list. This is in the Spanish language that maybe some people understand things, so I will explain step by step. I'm just changing the language here, Spanish to English. Okay, view. Okay, so here is the client profile. So here is, if you notice that here is the client profile. So we can add some tabs on here like clinical history, physical examination. Basically this software is for use for the doctors medical purpose. So here we can create some tabs like physical examination, pre-surgical, and some other sub tabs here. If you notice that a lot of tab on here, so I will show you some. Click on the clinical history. Oh, that's a thing is left. So first we can go to the client side. So just click on here and log in as a client, log in as a customer. Okay, this is the client side, and I will show you one thing. This is the historical clinica. We have create a new tab on here, historical clinica, clinic history. So we can just click on clinic history, and here is some things like date, email, telephone, profession, and view detail. We can add some clinical history. Just click on the button and display the form. This is the long form. We are trying to fill some this form. Here is some radio button, some input field like these things. I fill this form firstly, and okay, I will try to fill this quickly and then we'll back. Okay, we are filling this form. I will show you. Just few things left. Okay, here is the form for the male patient, and our client is providing this information. Basically this is the doctor appointment system for the patient, and we are use this form for the client side, for the male patient side. So I will show you later things. So In this we can enter the date, age, date of birth, email, patient married status, telephone address, and some personal things here, and the pathological information like patient weight, alcohol, and some of the other fields like personal history, patient history, surgical background, and some other diseases history, emergency contact information, and patient fill this form and just submit this form. Okay, just submit this. Okay, the form is submitted, and this here is the information, and patient also view the form. Patient view this information and also added the information, but currently we cannot uh, add this. So we are move. So we are moving back to the client dashboard, and just back to the admin side. Here is our admin side. So here is the client profile. So I will show you more thing. So if we I can change the edit the client things. I can edit the client gender. So you know that gender is not mentioned in the field, so we can create this custom field here, gender. Here is the gender, and I can choose the male, so I can choose the female on here, so just female, and edit this. Here is the edit button. In sorry, this is in the Spanish language, that why you face some issues. So I can change the gender male to the female. So I will show you only. So these things are fully customized way. So every male for a different form and female for a different form. So it's depend on the it's decide on the gender. So currently I am change the gender male to the female. So just click on the historia clinical history, and you notice that the form is the different one. Okay, you notice that the form is the different one. So the previous form is for the male patient, and this is for the female patient. So this is in the pink, and the previous one is in the blue, and some changes in the fields. So this is decide for the customly. The Perfex CRM decide for the customly, and we can achieve these things through the customization. So let's back to the client admin dashboard. So I can edit the again gender female to the male. So again I can, this is female, and we can just click on the male and save this information. Okay, so we are discussing about these tabs. So just the first tab is the clinical history. Only admin can use this portal. Admin can view the clinical history, the patient submitted the form. So just click on this. So patient submit the clinical history, and this is the patient clinical history, patient email, and the patient detail, mobile number, telephone number. Admin can also view this history, edit this, and delete this clinical history. so we can just some edit in the history. So just clicking on the edit button. So if you remember that our client submit these information to the client portal, so we can just edit these information here. We can edit this information. For example, we can change the age. The age is 20. We can just edit this 18 to the 20 and just to click on the update button. So the form is added successfully. We can just view and check the age group. Just clicking on the view detail, and you notice that here is the age 18 to the 20. So we can just go back, and our first step is clear clinical history, and we are discussing the second step. So the second step is some other forms on here. Physical examination form for the patient. Okay, so here is our physical examination, and we can just fill the form for the patient, for this patient. Mm, just one thing is, remember, we can change the client into the patient. Here is the tab for the client. We can change into the patient. These things we can do this for the customization, and all these things I only do for the customization, not in the Perfex built-in forms and built-in thing. Everything we can achieve this via customization. This is very big customization. We can do this in the Perfex. So just click on this button. Okay, we can just enter the reason uh, from here. Fill this form. Not special and personal treatment. We can just click X X Y Y and Z Z. Surgery date we can just add on here like 28, and the clinic is Costa Rica, and add the patient signature on here by clicking on this button. Patient can also sign this form, and the hospital manager or doctor also sign this form. So we can just click on the add button for sign this form, and patient sign this form by using tab or any laptop or any electronic pen, and save the button. Okay, the patient signed this form successfully, and now doctor can also sign this information. So just click on the button and sign this information. So both patient and doctor sign this form, and just submit this information. Okay, the form is submitted. So admin also view this form edit this form and delete this form. So we can just view this, edit this and delete this. I'm just delete this form. um, just delete this. Okay, the form is deleted, so we can move to the back. Okay, basically we can create some this type of forms on here, like this type of forms, all the form like this type of. The first thing is linked with the client portal clinical history. I have already explained. The second form I will show you, and just I will show one more form, uh, like protocol form. I will show you. Okay, this is the protocol form. Just click on this button. Here is some questionnaire, and admin can fill this form and also sign this by doctor and the patient. Both are signed this form as well. I'm just changing to the English language for your understanding. I'm also converting to the Spanish. That's why it's default load as a Spanish language. So that's why admin just click the fill this information, fill these questionnaires, and sign the form by patient and sign by the doctor as well. So we will just back. Okay, back and more back to the client view. Okay, and we are discussing about some more things in here. So here is some more forms or more documents on here. This is the sub tab on the client side. uh, this is the sub tab on here. Here is some I will show you. Basically this is the form for the terms and conditions. Sometime we can purchase the car, we can go to the hospital, and we are sign some documents like some life, some documents are very important and we can just sign this like terms and condition. So this is the sub tab for the terms and condition. Approximately 8 to 9 form on here. Both doctor and patient sign this terms and condition. I will show you in on here. Just click on the button. Here is the terms and conditions. A lot of terms and condition for the doctor related. So both doctor and patient sign these terms and condition. All these things in the digital format and all these things in the Perfect CRM. So you know that the Perfect CRM is a very good tool, and a lot of things it's provide like email, like SMS, like customer support, and this is the most leading software. So most leading software, and 14,000 plus sales. It's very close to the 14,000 plus customers and companies use this software. So this is the very wide software. So let's wait, sign for the patient. No, this not clear. Just clear this button and sign again. And now save this information. Just clicking by save button. The sign successfully added. Just go to the doctor signature. and save this and save this. So we can just submit this information. Basically this information is stored in the database. So this information is stored, so admin also delete this and also view this terms and condition and view the signature of the patient. For example, that patient is the test patient, and check the test patient sign these terms and condition or not. So this is that our test patient, you know that. Okay, so here is all the terms and condition we can write here. Here is a lot of terms and condition. I will show one more only. So just view. So here is more terms and conditions. So here is also same like the other things, same like the other forms. So we will back. So we are discussing about some forms and some terms and condition and some document down here. So this is all the information for the for our test client. So same these forms and these things for all clients, and we are go to the client section and I will show you a lot of clients you can register here, and all the information are saved in your databases. So here we have only two clients, so we can just view this profile. For example, in the previous we can just view the test client and just fill them some forms. So I can just click on the this client, this patient. So here is another patient and same forms, and we can just fill this information for this patient, and if we can add a new patient and just same things for all the patients. So we can set up this customization in the Perfex. This customization is very helpful for the doctors, and with some companies need this customization. If someone need this customization, you can just feel free to contact with us, to contact our team. Our team will help you a lot for the customization. Any type of customization you need, you can just contact to our WhatsApp channel, on on email, on Telegram. Just like the video, share the video to a friend and comment the below section. If you have any query, just discuss with us. Our team will help you. We are available 24 by 7 on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoying this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you need more some videos, some guidance video, you can just comment below. Our team will try to upload some content for you. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Thank you.